In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and place your clip in Adobe Premiere Pro, apply a crop effect, and make adjustments to ensure your video is perfectly framed and ready for export. Let's dive in and get started by opening or creating your Premiere Pro project. Once you're inside your project, you'll want to drag your video file straight into the project panel. This is where all your media is organized, and from here you can easily bring your video into the timeline. Simply click and drag it into the timeline and ensure the clip is selected to proceed. Next, we'll apply the crop effect to your clip. If you don't see the effects panel open already, you can find it by navigating through Window and selecting Effects. In the search field at the top, type in Crop. Alternatively, you can find it by expanding Video Effects, then Transform, and finally selecting Crop. Once you have located the crop effect, click and drag it onto your clip in the timeline. Now that the crop effect is applied, let's adjust those settings. With the clip still selected, head over to the Effect Controls panel. If you don't have it open, you can open this by going to Window and clicking on Effect Controls. Once there, expand the crop effect controls. Here, you will notice options for left, right, top, and bottom. These control how your clip will be cropped. You have the freedom to enter precise percentage values if you know exactly how much you want to crop. Alternatively, you can adjust these values visually by dragging the slider or handles directly in the program monitor. This allows you to see changes in real time, helping you determine what's best for your video composition. After adjusting the crop, you might find that your clip needs to be repositioned or scaled, especially if you see black edges or your subject isn't framed to your liking. In the Effect Controls panel, navigate to Motion and use the Position and Scale options to achieve your desired framing. Keep in mind that scaling up too much can cause a loss in quality, particularly if your original resolution isn't very high, so adjust carefully. Once you're satisfied with the crop and framing, take the time to play back your video to ensure it looks good across the timeline. This is an excellent moment to catch any last-minute tweaks that may be needed before exporting your final project. When you're ready to share or save your work, go to File and select Export, then Media. Choose your desired format for the output, and make sure that your sequence settings are properly aligned with your intended output, especially if there are changes to the aspect ratio. And there you have it, a complete guide to cropping and exporting your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!